Welcome back to SMC Tutors. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to buy Wikicat using Safepal wallet, from funding your wallet to completing the swap and verifying the purchase on chain. But before we continue, if you find the content helpful, do you buy educational token Wikicat. It is built on the Binance Smart Chain, and the contract address is in the description of this video. All you need is a Safepal wallet. You can get it from your App Store or your Google Play Store. So I've downloaded my Safepal wallet, and this is my Safepal wallet. It's funded already with BNB, and you can create a new wallet or probably restore your wallet into your Safepal wallet. And inside the Safepal, you can navigate to the Explore feature, where you can have the app stores, where you could maybe use a swap feature, maybe Pancake Swap or any decentralized exchange for any token swap like Pancake, Asta, and Uniswap. And you could also get the swap. You can also swap to Wikicat directly from the swap feature. So we'll be using the swap feature for this, and all you need is your Wikicat contract address, or you could search for the token name. But preferably, yeah, I would love that you get the contract address from all verified Wikicat sources. Safepal is Wikicat is a big token, and popular token. So if you search for Wikicat, I feel they should give you Wikicat. Alright, this is Wikicat Web 20 over here. Trading Wikicat requires a 2% tax. That's what you should know. So do not, make sure you have enough gas fee on the on your wallet. So I want to swap half of this 0.002, and finding the best quote, click on swap. I'm sending 1.27, receiving 1.18, and click continue. So it seems the providers here are unavailable at the moment, so let's just get to Pancake Swap. Click on Pancake Swap, gets to load up. Alright, so this is your BNB against WKC Wikicat. I would want to swap 0. Let's say 50%. Searches for my price, risk tolerance. Maybe it's 5. Okay. And there you have it. You've successfully swapped on Safepal using Pancake Swap. And let's check if it reflects on our wallet. And there you have it. You have your $0.9 worth of Wikicat. Make sure you get to buy based on the token name that is verified, and don't use an unverified contract address, because you may get scammed. And always keep BNB for gas fees, most importantly, and also learn how to increase slippages. It is so important. So if this tutorial video helped you, make sure you like the video, share with someone interested in buying Wikicat, drop a comment below, and subscribe to SMC TV for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.